was fair. And 59. In Monroe it was fair. The temperature was 59. At the Dells it was fair. And 55. In La Crosse it was fair. And 63. At Green Bay it was fair. And it was 57. In Rockford it was fair. And 62. At South Bend it was fair. And 60. In Chicago it was fair. And 60. At St. Louis drizzle was falling. And 53. At Des Moines it was cloudy. And 54. At the Twin Cities light rain was falling. And 54. At Duluth it was cloudy. And 47. Once again, at Janesville it was 61, under mostly sunny skies. This is the NOAA Weather Radio WWG90 in Janesville. The current time is 11:59 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of east central Wisconsin, south central Wisconsin, and southeast Wisconsin. For this afternoon and tonight there is a chance of thunderstorms tonight. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. There are chances of thunderstorms at times Thursday into Thursday evening, with the best chances near the Illinois border. Gusty winds and small hail may occur with storms in this area Thursday afternoon and evening. There is a chance of thunderstorms Saturday afternoon into Sunday. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed. Here is the Wisconsin weather synopsis. Today will be quiet to start with temperatures likely to reach mid-50s to mid-60s prior to the system expected to start moving in this evening. With this system, we should expect chances for rain through Thursday before the potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday around noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm transmitted over this and other NOAA radio stations in southern Wisconsin will normally be activated for watches and warnings that affect the following Wisconsin counties: Richland, Vernon, Adams, Juneau, Marquette, Waushara, Winnebago, Calumet, Manitowoc, Sauk, Columbia, Green Lake, Fond du Lac, Sheboygan, Dodge, Washington, Ozaukee, Iowa, Dane, Jefferson, Waukesha, Milwaukee, Lafayette, Greene, Rock, Walworth, Racine, and Kenosha. And the following Illinois counties: Stevenson, Boone, Winnebago, McHenry, and Lake. And all adjacent coastal waters of Lake Michigan.